Let's say I am a car manufacturer. To assemble a car, I need 1,000 different parts, each supplied from different vendors. Now, if 100 vendors are supplying me different materials, in that system, I need coordination and communication. That means I'm dependent on hundreds of people for timely delivery and coordination. But as a business owner, I need to plan everything carefully, especially inventory management, so that I don't end up overstocking parts in my warehouse. If I manage my inventory well by aligning supply with actual production needs, I can avoid storage overflow, reduce holding costs, and also keep it running without any wastage or delays. Let's find out how to do this in this video. Welcome to Logics by FR8, where we simplify trucking and logistics with clear and expert insight. Let's start. First, the changing face of SMEs in India. Small and medium businesses or SMEs are very important for India's economy. But for a long time, many of them had slow or messy logistics. They used manual work, less visibility, and depended a lot on outside transporters. But now things are changing fast, with a lot of new adaptations in the system. First one is warehouse management system, where you manage inventory, picking, and packing. Second one is transport management system, where you manage and plan routes, schedule trucks. Both share real-time data for smooth and faster dispatch. E-commerce online platforms like Amazon, Flipkart, Zepto, Swiggy want faster deliveries. This pushes SMEs for faster dispatch. Some things what SMEs can implement. First is loading bay planning. Fixed spot for trucks with pre-booking time slots. Digital system tracks for trucks arriving. FIFO queues for avoiding confusion. Second is very important, clear standard operating procedure, means SOPs. First thing is order should be picked and kept ready near the dock before the truck arrives. Second is checklist for documents and planning done in advance. Third is technology tools, tablets and handheld mobiles for workers to scan and track the truck. Most companies have barcode and RFID scanning so that dispatch is quick. Let's talk about the real-world example, Everest Spices. Everest Spices is a well-known SME company in India which supplies thousands towns across country. In the past, their warehouse operations were slow and mostly manual. This caused delay in dispatch and increased the risk of product contamination. To fix this, Everest made some smart changes. They introduced digital dock planning to perfectly time truck arrival so that they can avoid waiting time. They moved their fast-selling products near to the loading docks so that they can pack and ship it faster. The results were impressive. They cut down the dispatch time to 1.5 hours to just 20 minutes. Truck waiting time also dropped by 40%, which significantly cost lesser. They increased their number of dispatch to 30%, which helped the retailers to get their products more faster. Rajiv Shah from Everest has highlighted that automation not only speeds up operation, but also keeps the product safe and ensures that the raw materials reach on time, keeping their quality high throughout the process. Now let's look how you can do your inventory management with the example of A-B classifications. SMEs often manage their inventory by this method. Now A category means fast-moving items, means frequently sold and high demand. B category is moderate moving item, moderate volume and sales frequency. C category means slow moving item, low demand and slow turnover. You can also classify them by value, by shelf life, and by nature. These categories help optimize warehouse layout and improve storage strategies. There is also one more thing, which is storage put away and retrieval pick away. Inventory logistics are split into two. Inbound logistics, material entering inside the factory. Outbound logistics, goods going outside the warehouse. Now what is efficient design? Efficient design means high consumption products which are stored near the dock area. High consumption items are stored close to the processing center. And also high sales SKUs are stored near the loading bay for quicker dispatch. Now let's understand material classifications for transport and storage. For better logistics performance, companies should classify items by handling and transport needs, and also apply storage and retrieval logic to avoid unnecessary motion. This ensures smooth flow and minimal delays across the logistics chain. Now, how you should plan your multi-storage area. In factories with multiple storage points like sales, godowns, or warehouses, material should be evenly distributed across zones. Avoid congestion in one zone while another remains underused. Placement should refer product movement, fragility, and dispatch frequency. Let me show you a SME's logistics playbook with functions and strategies. Inventory planning. Weekly sales driven reorder cycles avoid end of the month stock surges. Pick pack optimization. Organize sales by product velocity. Use tablet-based pick list. Truck coordination. Leverage TMS for scheduling. Use WhatsApp or similar apps for real-time updates. Loading SOPs. Dock sites tagging, assign truck slots, and tag vehicles for quick identification. Micro warehouses strategy. Maintain 2 to 3 warehouses near city edges to cut urban delivery times. In the era of slow dispatch and unplanned truck hauls are coming to an end. SMEs that embrace real-time tools, clear loading SOPs, and flexible warehouses not only speed up dispatch but also reduce cost, increasing customer satisfaction and scale efficiently. In next 2 to 3 years, a 15 minutes warehouse to truck dispatch won't be a competitive advantage, but it will be a necessity. Let's know what you think about this content in the comment section. Thank you for watching.